Okay, so for sure one of the most important things about riding dirt bikes is that you properly prepare yourself with the right gear. There's all kinds of special gear that has been made throughout the years, and it's gotten better and better as time's gone on. So I'm gonna start kind of with some of the basic stuff that's absolutely necessity, and then we'll kind of get into some of the stuff that maybe you might want to use, maybe you won't. First things first, helmet. There's nothing more important than a helmet. You cannot ride your dirt bike without wearing the proper helmet. I highly recommend a helmet that is full face, so it gives you additional protection for your face. I also recommend one that is sized properly. Size is everything. Just don't go and put a helmet on that feels comfortable. You want to make sure that it feels pretty snug on your face, because you don't want it moving around. You want it, when you tighten the chin strap, you want to make sure that thing's nice and secure. So get a good helmet. Don't cheap out on the helmet. This is something that you absolutely want to spend the right amount of money on. One of the things to look for when you're buying a helmet is to make sure that it's either Snell approved or DOT approved, okay? Those two things are crucial. Make sure you talk to your dealer when you buy your bike. He'll definitely guide you in the right direction and get you the right helmet. Next thing is you got to protect your eyes, right? When you're riding in dirt, a lot of times stuff comes up off the wheels or comes off the back of another motorcycle, and your eyes are critical, and you want to make sure they're well protected. So I happen to use these goggles. These are got tinted lenses. Some people prefer clear lenses. Some people prefer tinted lenses. It's your preference. Next thing, boots. I can't recommend enough buying a good quality pair of boots. Yeah, you could ride in like construction boots, but you don't have really good feel for the shifter, the brake, the foot pegs. So a good set of boots are imperative. Next thing, gloves. Your hands are so important. Your hands are what control the throttle. They're what control the clutch. They're what control the brakes. So you want to make sure you get a nice pair of gloves and that they fit properly. Most everybody rides in jerseys and pants, so they have all kinds of different color variations. Next, they make special socks for dirt bike riders, and the reason these are so long is because they're meant to go up over your knees, so that when you wear knee protection, there's all kinds of different knee pads or knee guards that you can buy, knee braces, that they give you an extra layer of comfort and protection, so that the knee braces, knee guards, whatever, aren't rubbing on your skin and causing irritation. One of the other things that's really popular, happens to be mine, I wear it all the time, is a chest protector. The reason chest protectors are so cool is if you get in behind somebody else and they're throwing roost at you or dirt at you, this gives you some protection so that you don't get welted up on your chest. It also gives you, some of these come with really extensive like shoulder guards or shoulder protection, and so that'll give you some protection if you were to fall over to not hurt your arms or your shoulders. So gear, I can't say enough how important gear is. Make sure that you get the right stuff. When you buy your bike, buy your gear. It makes sense to buy it all at the same time. Again, highly recommend you do this at your dealership, because you want the stuff to fit. If you just order it online, it's likely it won't fit and you're going to have to send it back. Just buy it from your dealer. He knows what he's doing. He's going to be able to set you up with the right stuff.